The 32-inch interactive touchscreen. A revolutionary way to enhance your workday. Imagine having an all-in-one workspace that lets you multitask like a pro, collaborate seamlessly with others, and unleash your creativity without any limits. That's exactly what this incredible device offers, making it the ultimate tool for anyone looking to boost their productivity and work experience. This 32-inch interactive touchscreen is not just another smart display. It's a game-changer that combines cutting-edge technology with intuitive design to give you an unbeatable edge in your daily tasks. And let me tell you, I was blown away by its capabilities from the moment I started exploring it. First up, we have the 10-points touchscreen monitor. What does this mean in real-world terms? Simply put, it means you can use multiple fingers to zoom in and out of images, make notes, and annotate documents without needing any special drivers or styluses. And here's the best part. It works with gloves, so whether your hands are warm or cold, you're good to go. Plus, you can adjust the brightness for optimal visibility. But that's not all. This touchscreen is also a smart interactive whiteboard. What does Android 11 OS mean for me? It means I have access to the latest and greatest operating system with RK3568 processor, 4GB RAM, and 32 gigabytes of ROM. I can download apps like Gmail, Skype, Disney+, Netflix, YouTube, and many more directly from the Play Store, just like on my phone or tablet. And with a seamless user interface, you'll feel right at home exploring this interactive world. Now, let's talk about some of its other standout features. The 32-inch interactive touchscreen has 2 USB ports, an HDMI slot, a TF/SD card slot, LAN and Wi-Fi connectivity, built-in speakers, and a 3.5mm audio jack. This means you can connect multiple devices at once, share files in real time with colleagues or friends, and even collaborate on projects without any lag. But what really sets this device apart is its advanced features. You can mirror your phone screen onto the touchscreen, stream live video from wireless equipment, and even add additional cameras and microphones for video conferencing. And if you need to connect it to your smart TV or display a picture, just place it horizontally or vertically, easy peasy. Another fantastic feature is its industrial control panel capabilities. Imagine having an interactive whiteboard that can be used as a control panel in any office setting, workshop, or classroom. It's the perfect solution for businesses looking to streamline their operations and education institutions seeking innovative ways to engage students. But don't just take my word for it. This 32-inch interactive touchscreen is backed by top-notch after-sales service. With FCC, CE, and RoHS certification, you can rest assured that you're getting a high-quality product that's designed to last. And if anything goes wrong, you'll receive 24/7 online support to help you resolve any issues. In short, the 32-inch interactive touchscreen is an absolute powerhouse of a device that will revolutionize your workspace and take your work to the next level. With its incredible features, intuitive design, and top-notch support, this is one investment you won't regret making. Check out the link below for the best price. Trust me, it's worth every penny.